video will we talk about screen commands. Screen commands, it's background Linux shell. In Linux, provide the ability to launch and use multiple shell sessions in a single SSH screen. It's a powerful command. Now, the first thing we will ensure about it if is the screen command installed in our environment using command rpm minus qa grep screen. You can find the result. Screen is already installed with version 4.1. Okay. Now, the next step we will do it to check screen version by another way by typing screen minus minus version. You can find this. This is the version of screen command 4.01. Now, the second thing we will do it, it's type screen minus minus help. It's man page for screen command. You can find we have more than one options. We have option 4 minus 4 resolve host names only to IP version 4 address. Option minus 6 to IP version 6. Option minus A force all capabilities into each Windows term cap. The main options we will use it's minus L S or minus list, just list our mkdir will list what we opened in screen commands. We will use another option minus S capital to create a new screen. We will use another option minus R small with number of session or name of session for reattached or detached screen process. Now we'll create a new screen with name test. You can find this. We open a new screen 0, new screen 0. Now we will type simple command spring command google.com. You can find the command is a processing. We don't stop it. Now the first thing we will do is press Ctrl plus A plus D to exit from screen without disconnected. It's important thing. Now how we will return to our screen. First thing we will do minus L screen or screen with minus list. You can find this the same result. We have screen test with sock name or sock number 2635. Now we'll do screen minus R small and 2635. You can find this. This our screen. Again, Ctrl A plus D. You can find here more than one option for using control with screen. Ctrl plus A, it's create a new window. Ctrl plus A with double quotation list all window. We can type it. Ctrl plus A with 0 switch to window 0 by number. So this screen we created it with screen number 0. You can find this again. You can find this screen 0. Let's create a new screen and with this 2 you can find screen 0. You can find this. Control D to disconnect the screen. Screen is terminating. Control D for disconnect the screen. The other thing we will do it's how to check configuration file of screen command. You can find configuration file in etc with name screen rc. This configuration file have options for screen commands. You can edit on it or keep it as default. It's up to you. This is what we have in this video. Little information about how to use screen command. In next video, we will talk in advance using of screen command. Thank you.